laps for a couple of grand. You cannot go wrong. Just make sure you keep plenty of oil